this video, we learn what you mean by data primitives, gate primitives, or what are the built-in primitives available in Verilog. Okay, you have flip-flops, latches, tri-state buffer, and combination gates. Total 4. Okay, so we learn all these things. So the previous section we will see today's. So we'll see today now gate primitives, tri-state buffers. Okay, and here you can latches also. Okay, so what are the different gates available as primitives? So this, so these all this. So this is a built-in form and A and D, and this is output. Inputs are I1 and gate. Okay, similarly you have built-in primitive logic gate, NAND, NA and D NAND. Okay, NAND primitive. Okay, which is under the combination. Suppose you want to design any combination circuit, you can use this gate. So NA and D NAND output. These are the similarly OR. You can have built-in primitive or NOR, 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 XOR, XNOR, NOT. Okay, built-in gate. These are the symbols as you know. Okay, next buff. You have buffers also. Buff will have one, it is input is I, output is W. In buffers there are 4 types. These 4. So see here, this is normal buff without any control. But here it is with control signal. C is the control signal. Okay. So this is control signal. I is input, W is output. So buff if 1. That means if it is 1, this control is 1. Okay, same thing this also, but if 0, that means bubble. If control is 0, here control is 1. Okay, buffers. Similarly, this you see here there is no not. In this not is there. So not if W input and control. This is control is 1, input, W is output. Not of this. Whatever is there here, you get not. This is syntax. These are the buffers. Similarly, not if 0. If 0 means this is 0. That means control signal is 0. Whatever is there input, you will get the opposite of this. So these are the three state buffers. The syllabus it is written as 3-state buffers. If you are asked to explain, you have to explain these buffers. These are the buffers. These are the combinational gates. Okay. Similarly, we have in Verilog pull-up, pull-down networks. We have studied VLSI, no? In that we have to, as an inverter you want to draw, you have pull-up network and pull-down. So pull-up, this is the symbol, pull-down like this. Okay, so these are the basic gate primitives available in Verilog. Okay, this is the, you can, I gave an example, no? You write one example like this. So 3 AND gates we want. This is one majority. So we want to declare. So this is a circuit which is describing out of this 3 which is the majority. So output is Y. So 3 AND gates, one OR gate. Inputs are A, B. In between temporary variables IM1, IM2, IM3. Okay. So like this you need to give. So you want to write the program result. So yes, module majority is the name. What are the inputs? A, B, C is the value. You can declare inputs or outputs. Similar input A, B, C, output is Y. In between temporary, no, that's why you should declare as YR. YR, IM1, IM2, IM3. IM1, IM2, IM3. Okay, and which gate you want? AND gate. How many you require to? 4. So you can declare like this also. 2-bit. Then total you require how many? Here total is 3 gates. Okay, so that you can write here. IM1 you are passing AB. IM2 this is second one. Outputs, these are outputs. You are passing BC. It will give ANDing and you will get here. So total you have to give it to OR gate. So I am calling OR gate hash 3, 5. Okay, and write why you pass this. This is output IM1, IM2, N1. Okay, so fine. This is a program to write, okay, for majority exit using primitives. So we have used which primitive? And primitive or primitive. Okay, so this is also one example how to write a Verilog program using built-in primitives. Okay, that is AND gate, OR gate. You can user define also. You can write your own. You can declare your own primitives also and write like this primitive majority that you write columns. Okay, you can declare like that also. So this is the important topic, how to use your built-in primitives. So you can write programs buff for a mux programs using buffs. Okay, and you can write all logic gates using this. You can write full adder, half adder using these primitives. Okay, using mux you can write. Okay, you build with built-in primitives. Okay, so I'll try to write some programs under this topic on basic gate primitives. You for mux or buffers, then a full adder, half adder also you can write. Okay, I will do that in the next video. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.